Check out this endoscope here. If you're a plumber, construction worker, mechanic, looking to fish out or find things that are in the pipes, in the walls, in the engines, you drop a screw. This is going to help you out a lot. Now, I've used endoscopes in the past. A lot of them actually, they try to give you an app, like plug it into your phone. That's kind of a pain. This is great. You have a 5.5-inch screen here so you can see. It's got a light at the end of it so you can see where you're going in those dark spaces. If you need to, show people like what you're looking at there. It's got a really good screen to it as well, easy to see. You also have different light modes that you can change through. So if you want to change the lights, you can flip the image, you can zoom in, and it also comes with little attachments on it. So you can either have like a magnet on there. So if like you do drop a screw and you're trying to pick it up, you can screw this on. It's got that magnet, so you'll see it, attach it and bring it out. There's also like hooks and other things that you can use to fish out the wires if you're trying to pull wire between walls. So many uses for this thing, and just having this handle and screen just makes it so simple and easy to use with battery power. Charges with USB-C, comes with a cable, all that good stuff. 16 feet of cable, and it's that strong cable as well. So when you're going around a corner, it's not gonna get all tangled and stuff. It's gonna be perfect for that. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.